Hey guys, what's up? This is Ranjeet, and today you're watching my first YouTube video on my channel about my first Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi. So I've been looking to make this video for a long time, but today I got this time to make a video because today I think it's a good chance to make this video because I'm going to do the oil change for my Dodge Ram, and I'll show you how many kilometers on it, and it's still going crazy. Okay, let's go. So you can see that it's 276,000 almost kilometers on it, and it's still really smooth. And I'll show you underneath the hood. It's 5.7 Hemi V8. So it's a pretty much big engine, and it has a lot of power, almost 392 horsepower engine. I got this truck almost a year and a half ago, and it's been crazy driving this truck. It's the SLT model for 4x4. And today I'm gonna go to Canadian Tire. And so guys, here's a tip, and you all can use in your life whenever you want to go to change any oil. So whenever I change my car's oil, I got another Ford Mustang for GT. So always try to search your manufacturer's recommendation. So you'll see over here it says Motor Oil, Pennzoil shells are the best for Dodge and Chrysler cars. I always used to try a mobile one, but look at this. These have also some offers right now. But what we have over here today is platinum fully synthetic oil, which is, you can see on this next side window, which is really good synthetic oil, and I used it before as well, and this is just for $36.99. Crazy. So I'm gonna take these two, because anyway it's gonna take 7 liters, close to 7 liters, so it is better to take 2 5-liter of this case, and then rest 3-liter I'll keep it for maybe top up or maybe for my next service. And about this oil filter, again, this is again for synthetic motors. I mean synthetic oil. It is again for 20,000 miles protection. So according to our screen, this matches XG2. All right, and we already bought the necessary and basic oil change products, and I'll show you the bill and how much we spent it today, so you can easily see that. And $33, which is, you can easily see that over here. Pennzoil, we saved almost $31, and filter, and then air filter. There's total be 133.29, and we saved $62.
Damn!
So if we'll talk about the engine of this beast, is, as I said, is 5.7 Hemi, 392 horsepower and almost 407 lb of torque. So this is a really successful engine from Dodge.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life.
So guys, here you go. I've done with my service. Unfortunately, my mechanic doesn't allow any camera inside his mechanic's bay. But anyways, we are done with the service today, and keep watching my video. At the end of this video, I'll tell you my own experience about this truck for after being owned this truck for almost 16 months, and after driving 50,000 kilometers, and this truck is amazing, guys. So I will also tell you why you will choose Dodge Ram, especially 4th generation trucks, instead of any other truck. If you're looking to buy any truck in the market, in marketplace, in Kijiji or wherever you want, so you can choose over this truck. There are many pros of this truck, and I'll tell you in this whole video, so keep watching. But I also want to talk about is the fuel efficiency of this truck. I mean, this is a big gas saver if you compare with other trucks in the market, especially with this year. 4th generation Dodge trucks, they have this engine tweak and more air in the engine. So for myself, I've been driving this truck for such a long time, and then I think I'm eligible to tell you this, that if I'm usually fill up this gas tank is like almost more than 100 liters, but if for 100 liters it goes more than 550 kilometers, and this is just a city drive. And but if you go to highways, it's around, for myself, is sometimes it's more than 600. So it all depends on your driving habits as well, guys. But we also, this is the second point, that you should buy this truck, and the third point is a nice interior. Look at the nice interior, guys. You will love with this interior. It's pretty much big space in it. You got a lot of ample space over here, big bucket over here, and another storage underneath. And so you can see over here there are a couple of options. It's 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive lock, and 4-wheel drive low. I usually drive in 2-wheel drive, but if you have snow and you wanna go, you can always drive in 4-wheel lock. All right, so we talked about the engine performance, we talked about the interiors, but the most important thing in this truck as well, this is a strong transmission and 4-wheel drive. So for this truck, according to Dodge, it can tow up to 10,000 lbs, which is a lot, guys. But it's for myself, I never towed anything with this truck. But it has a lot of power. I mean, couple of weeks ago it was a snowstorm, and I tried to tow try to hitch one of my friend's car, and he got stuck in the snow. And believe me, guys, it was just a matter of minutes for this truck. At last but not least, it's Hemi sound. I'll tell you guys, I never installed any mufflers or anything in this truck, but you can hear this sound. This is Hemi stock sound. I know it's crazy, and it's really nice. I mean, if you drive this truck, I 100% recommend you if you're looking to buy a used truck in a market. If you get a chance to look around for the Dodge Ram 2010 or 4th generation trucks, this is a good choice for you guys. Thanks for watching my video today. I hope you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll post more videos, and more videos are on the way. This was my personal opinion about my personal review about my own truck, and how you like my video. If you have any questions, any concerns about this Dodge Ram, please don't forget to put on the comment, and I'll try to reply for all those comments and suggestions. Thank you so much. Hope you like it.
Give it to me like